Today we want to share a couple of the nominations for our Floors for Good giveaway of a free floor. We want to highlight a couple of these organizations, and then maybe it sparks a memory or a thought for you of someone that you'd like to nominate, a group, a non-for-profit, or a charity doing great in the Indianapolis community. So today we're going to share a couple of community centers that have been nominated. They provide places for learning. They provide space for socialization. Obviously, these two things are key to everyone's well-being, no matter what their age or place in life. Both of them see plenty of foot traffic as they provide these needed services. So the first group is the Hawthorne Community Center. They provide services and programming addressing economic, educational, and social needs for the entire Hawthorne community. They include programs that are both before and after school services for kids, as well as camps during the summer. Another group is the Riley Youth Community Center. They provide out-of-school time programming for kids ages 5 and up in Pike Township in Indianapolis. That includes both before and after school programs and camps during the summer and school breaks. So two great organizations there. That are obviously doing great things in our community. So tell us, what organizations do you know about that you'd like to nominate? Please share this video with anyone you think might have a nomination for our giveaway. And then we're going to count on you to vote for the final winner at floorsforgood.com. Thank you.